Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve this interesting logic problem. We have that 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 3 minus 2 equal to 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 6, and we need to find this value 5 minus 4, what it will be equal to. And right here on the right hand side we will have a lot of options A, B, C and D. So right now choose one which you think is correct and write your suggestion in comment, and after 20 seconds we will check our answer. So let's try to solve this, of course, hard logic problem, because I think about it maybe 30 minutes how to solve this problem. So let's try to solve it right now. Write your suggestion and let's try to solve this problem. So take a look. I see right now that 4 minus 1 equal to 3, it's good. So let's write it 4 minus 1 equal to 3. It's good for us. 3 minus 2 equal to 2 is not correct, but we know that 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So let's write not from these rows, let's write the correct answer firstly. Secondly, take a look, 5 minus 3, it will be equal to 2. We all know this. And of course 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So I just write the correct answer, but only one row is correct with this on the left hand side. But I see right now, and I hope you see as well, that there is the pattern between these numbers, these answers, because if we multiply this 3 by, in our case, multiply this 3 by 1, so let's multiply by 1, we will have that this will be equal to 3, which is the same as right here on the right hand side. Right here we have 1, but if we go like a natural order, if we multiply it by 2, we will have our answer 2, which is the same as in this case, in our right hand side as answers. And moreover, if we multiply it by 3, so as a natural order, we will have that this will be equal to 6, the same as right here. So I solved this pattern. I hope you see this pattern as well. So right here we have correct answer and we multiply it by natural order. So in our case 5 minus 4, we need to multiply it by 4 because it is the fourth row multiplying by 4, and we will have our answer that right here we'll have 4, which is correct. So my explanation is 4. So I saw it and I saw this pattern. Maybe there is another pattern, so write your suggestion in comment and maybe you will see another pattern between all of these rows. But I saw this one, so this is a natural order, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and we multiply it. Of course, write your suggestion if you enjoy it. I really appreciate it, and see you in the next videos. And our answer, of course, if we take our option A is correct. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.